super simple video here. We're going to take a Google Sheet and turn it into an API for the full year. So we can type in the year 2026 right here, and we can give access to people to get this number. But we want to update it all the time. So we're going to use year, and we're going to wrap today inside of year. Now what's going to happen is this is just automatic. Every single year this is going to change. And you can do this for a day. You can do this for any piece of information. We'll put it in A1 here on the sheet called year in all caps. Then we're going to go up to extensions, go to AppScript, click OK. Let's name this get full year. Now the function has to be exactly doGet, doGet. And we're going to put an E here. This E is actually going to be a URL. Actually, I'll make that a URL. It could be any kind of variable here. Basically, we're going to be able to get a parameter from this. If we need something like a password equals URL parameter password. And now, again, this password and this variable password are just words, letters that we choose. And I'll show you how that works later when we get the URL to give people access to our API. If we want to give them a password, if password is equal to 123, 123, then we'll do content service, create text output, and here we'll get the year, which is variable year equals spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet, get sheet by name, put in the capital YEA, get range, A1, get value. So we're getting the value from A1 on the tab year in the spreadsheet that we have right now. We're going to save all of this, and we're going to go up to the top right and click deploy. Deploy new deployment. We'll select the type as web app. I'm going to execute it as me, and who has access, anyone. Deploy, waiting. We do need to authorize it, hit continue. And now we have a URL. I'm going to click done, and I'm going to save this URL up above this function. URL equals, in quotes, this. Now this URL, if I use it in an Incognito tab, because I'm logged into Google, you can use this URL as is somewhere else, and you can share this with other people, but because I'm logged into Google right now, I have to use an Incognito window. I need to add the parameter of password in this particular case. So add at the end, question mark, password equals 123, and we get 2026. So we're getting the text back exact as we have it in our sheet. This is pretty cool, right? Now, if we don't want a password, if we're like, hey, I just want to execute that URL, I don't want a password for my API, I just have to delete this password stuff. Delete that, delete this second curly brackets, save. Now I'm going to redeploy. I want to use the exact same URL. I'm going to go to deploy, manage deployments. It's like I've edited something, but I don't want to switch out the URLs. I just click on that pencil icon in the top right. Instead of version 1, I go new version. I could add a description here. This is just going to give me a little rundown here on the left. I don't need to. Deploy is the next step. Wait. And we have exactly the same web app URL. Don't copy this library one. But this web app URL is exactly the same. And now I can go in Incognito window, paste it, and there it is, 2026. So now I have given access to my Google Sheet to anyone with this URL, but they don't have edit access, they don't have view access, they don't have any other access other than what I give them through this function doGet. This is pretty cool, and I hope you enjoyed getting the full year as an API inside of a Google Sheet.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.